Well, howdy, hi there. I've been relocated, not in a hospital anymore. I have been relocated to a local rehabilitation hospital, which I didn't know existed, but this room that I'm in, and I'm showing you a little bit of it, this is the bad foot, by the way. This is the foot that's no longer a foot. This is a foot, and this is no longer a foot. This room that I'm in is easily 3 times the size, maybe 4 times the size of the room that I was in the hospital. Actually looks like a luxury hotel room with all the stuff that goes along with it. I wish you could see the bathroom. It's over here, but it's kind of halfway behind the door, and it's huge. And I got my trapeze up here to hold myself up, or pull myself up if I need to. And a little bit to the right out here is my big window to the world out of the courtyard, out onto the courtyard of the place. And other than that, I'm just cooling out. They have me scheduled for physical therapy and other things several times tomorrow. And, fear the unknown. So 8:15 in the morning, they told me to be ready to roll. So I guess I will be. But yeah, this place is pretty dang amazing. Yeah, pardon the picture of my urinal there. Anyway, just letting you know I've moved, and I'm scared because it's different, but I think it'll be all right.